What's going on, guys? We are SteadyStreaminCashios, and today we want to show you our Sprinter 170 extended 4x4 tour. This is a window van. As you can see, it's got all the windows, which helps when you're driving, turn around your shoulder, but just when you're inside as well, you get to see wherever you're parked at. Start off, we've got two exterior LED porch lights, one above the passenger door, one for back here. Wherever you're parked at in the middle of nowhere, you have lights to enjoy your patio area. So for this build, we have two 100-watt Renogy panels up top. They're mounted to these ladder rails that are secured to the OEM roof rails. Also up top, we have two max air fans. When it comes to suspension for this, we decided to add sumo springs for the rear suspension to help with load carrying ability. So let's check out the inside. First thing you notice when you walk through the door is this Sprinter bench seat. This is from an NC V3. So we have two boys, and it's really nice when you have an extra seat for road trips, day trips, things like that. Start off here in the cooktop area. Obviously you see we have a 2-burner propane cooktop. We've got it on a 1-pound propane bottle that's stored away over here. Easy access to interchange it. It does have a ball valve so that you can turn the flow of the propane off. Down below we have a Vitrifrigo stainless fridge. So it's really nice. It's got a fridge freezer combo. It's got tons of storage. Up top here we have two upper cabinets to hold lots of storage for your canned goods, things like that. Also on this countertop we have a pop-up GFCI receptacle. So you pull this button, pops itself up. The floors in this build are vinyl plank flooring. They are a black piano look, so they're really sleek. They just make this place look really nice. They're waterproof, and then also under these cabinet lights underneath here, they are each on a switch. Along this side we do have 3 drawers for storage, for clothes, things like that. Everything's on soft close. This one is a little bit shorter because of the fender well, but you still get a good 12-inch drawer. All cabinet doors and drawers are on magnets, so that way they just lock in place when you're going down the road. So we've got a nice big upper on this side above the sink for storage as well. We've got our sink, stainless steel undermount sink with our black faucet. It does pull out. The countertops are walnut, and they have a tung oil put on them. This piece here we added as a backsplash just to help things not splash up against your windows. So we got one max air fan here in the kitchen area. We've got a second in the bedroom area. On the sink side, we do have one drawer here. This is a false. Then we've got all of this cabinet space down here. This cabinet houses your water pump, accumulator tank, and hot water heater. This hot water heater is an electric 110 volt water heater. So what I did is I put it on a switch. So when you need it, you turn the switch on and it'll start heating up the water for you. So if you notice, we've got the toilet in here, inside the shower. In order to access that, you pull this away. It's magnetized, so when you're going down the road, it won't jump all over the place. Place it wherever you want. You could place this over here, the top over here. Place it on the seats, place it behind this cabinet, just to get it out of the way wherever you want. This is how you access the toilet. So this is a Nature's Head composting toilet. So it sits all right nice in here. Does have its vent, does have the plug, so the fan works. It vents to below the floor of the van. You obviously have right here, this is a bidet mixing valve. It was nice and sleek so that I was able to store it inside this cabinet while having the drawer. So this is your shower head, things like that. There is a drain below this toilet. I'll remove the toilet now and you can see all of that. So to remove, you'll pull out the electric plug and the vent tube, and you'll bring the toilet wherever you want, whether that's back here, up front, wherever. For right now, we're going to bring it outside just for now. So if you see, we wrap this in aluminum, and you might be wondering, okay, that's great, it's in aluminum, but everything else around here is wood. How's it not going to get wet? Good question. If you notice, we've got hooks on the ceiling and inside here. So we've got the shower curtain. And now you have a shower inside your van. So it's got a zipper right here, so you can hop in, bring the shower head with you, take your shower, do whatever you want. You can even put a stool in here if you want to just hang out. So now I'm in the shower. I've got my shower head. I have a mount to mount this, just trying to figure out where I want to mount it, but it'll hold it up for you. And now you have a shower. So this is a shower drain. It is a low profile shower drain that's hooked to a HEPA valve, so that way the water does not come back, the gases don't come back. So once you're done, you can bring these front hooks to the back. That'll allow it to drip dry before you fold it up and put it back in the cabinet. Moving on to the back, before you get to the dinette, we do have two storage cabinets here. These are the fender wells, so it's taken up a little bit by the fender well. In here, we do have the 1 pound propane bottle inside here, along with the flare valve to turn it on and off. If you notice, we brought the Walnut into here with this Walnut table. This table is on a lagoon mount, so if you want, swivels all over the place. Show you how to do that using their ratchet. So if you want, you just want to hang out, table goes all the way over here, and now you can just chill. So these cushions are 4-inch memory foam cushions. All cushions are here to convert this into a bed. Our electrical is all in this cabinet here. We'll do a quick look. The inverter, batteries, charge controller, fuse block, everything like that. 120 breakers all in there. If you want a more detailed description of our electric setup, you can click this right here. That'll send you to the video that we posted last week explaining our whole electric setup. This side of the dinette is nothing but open storage. Do have an inverter switch on this side of the cabinet along with 2 light switches, one for the bedroom lights, things like that. We do have 16 gallons of gray water, and that is underneath the dinette. This light here has a sensor on the tank. When the light comes on, it'll tell you, hey, you're halfway, you might want to start emptying. And then we've got a switch here. This switch is for the under cabinet lights. This switch is for your water pump. So let's go ahead and convert it to the bed now. Now you're in a 76 by 70 bed, 76 this way, 70 this way. Perfect for a couple or a family with a kid, co-sleep, things like that. On each side of the bed, you have an outlet here and an outlet here for charging. Now, let's go around back to show you the storage in the garage. First things first, this cabinet here is access from the back. Plenty of storage. Now for under here, this would be under the dinette. Under here you can store your hoses, your max tracks, whatever you can fit underneath here. This is all below the dinette. This vent here is for the electrical cabinet so that it can suck in fresh air. This hose here is to dump the gray water tank. So underneath here is my gray water valve. So it comes on in here. This is a cam lock. So it comes on, snap it. Pull out the valve, and now you can drain your gray water wherever you want. We did equip this 170 extended with a trailer hitch. This is a draw tight hitch. This van is set up, was pre-wired with a 7-pin, so that's right underneath here as well. This up here is your freshwater tank. This is 36 gallons. So it's secured. Obviously you don't need any sensors or anything because when you fill it up, you'll be able to see how much you're filling up. So in order to fill that up, twist this off, put the hose in, there you go. Up here we have 2 upper cabinets, just for more storage. And we have an outlet up here by the bench seat. Thanks for watching the tour. This van is for sale. Like I said, it's a 2019 Sprinter 170 extended 4x4. For more information, you can visit our website, SteadyStreaminCashios.com. DM us on Instagram as well. Link is in the description below. Thanks, guys. Stay steady.